So Topaz is always on the forefront of AI technology. They're known for doing AI denoise. So like in this image here for my wedding, it was taken at that very high ISO because of the fact that it was indoors in very low light. Now the problem with doing that, as you all know, is that you introduce a lot of noise in the image, and so the image was not very usable to us afterward for printing out and so on. Now Topaz Photo AI is able to automatically remove the noise in the photo, and the new thing that they've added is a new feature called object removal. So if you add a layer here and you go to remove, you can draw a mask around the thing in the scene that you want to remove. So for example, this chair that I want in this scene because it's covering that wonderful expensive dress that I paid for my wife, right? And then we pre-process this, but basically you just do object removal. It takes about a minute on an RTX 4070, and I can show you what the result looks like afterward. So if I do this, see that it's able to remove the chair and then use generative AI to fill in the detail behind the chair and match the rest of her dress and so on. And so you can see what that looks like afterward. And like I said, because this is an offline process, in other words, it's happening all locally on the laptop GPU, you can do this on the plane, you can do this on site, you don't have to have internet connection and so on. And the other cool thing about it for like benchmarking or reviewing purposes is that it scales to other hardware as well. You can choose a CPU, you can choose iGPU to process this. They're working on NPU acceleration as well, so you can use it for benchmarking other AI devices. And it also scales to object size. So if you have a large object in the scene, expect to take more processing power in order to do that and more time. And then smaller objects in the scene will take less processing power and less time. So it's a really useful tool to help you communicate the value of different levels of AI processing power in devices. And this software is also really great because it has a free trial. So you can download it, use it on multiple devices, do benchmarking and so on without incurring any cost.